everyone, welcome. My name is Jana Rambo and I'm a Senior Instructional Designer at Trellix. Today we're going to talk about why your endpoints or Trellix agents automatically upgrade to the latest version without your manual trigger, and how to fix that issue. In ePO SaaS, deployment tasks can be created in a few different ways, but there are two specific methods that usually trigger these surprise upgrades if they aren't configured correctly: Advanced Product Deployment Tasks and the Deploy tab under the system tree. When either of these has automatic updates enabled, ePO will automatically push new release versions to all applicable systems. In this video, we'll look at KB number 15025 and show you exactly how to find and disable these settings so you can regain full control over your environment. Let's get started. The first place to check is your Advanced Deployment settings. Navigate to Menu, Software, then Advanced Deployment. Locate your custom deployment tasks. These will be tasks that don't have install for at the beginning of the task name. Let's just select this Migration to EDRF deployment task. If you want to prevent an automatic upgrade when a new version hits the current branch, simply open the Action drop-down menu, edit the task, navigate to the Deployment section, and uncheck Automatically Deploy Latest Version of the Products. Click Save to save your changes, then click OK. The second and most common cause of unexpected upgrades comes from the system tree. If you select a specific group and look at the Deploy tab, having only the Trellix agent selected will not trigger auto upgrades. However, if you select any point product, like endpoint security, ePO silently creates a hidden deployment task that bundles the product and the agent together. To see these hidden tasks, go to your Client Task Assignments, click Actions, and select Show Hide Deployment Tasks. You'll see automated tasks titled Install For Group Name, Task Type Product Deployment with two auto-created schedules, Daily and Run Immediately. These tasks appear when at least one point product is selected in the Deploy tab. You can, however, uncheck Automatically Update Software to the latest version before clicking Save. That will create the deployment task and assignments with the auto update feature disabled. But if you make a selection on the Deploy tab with auto update enabled, then later go back and clear the selection and click Save, it will not modify the Install for Group tasks. Instead, you would have to delete the tasks from Advanced Product Deployment and recreate them with the desired settings. To identify groups that upgrade automatically, go back to the Advanced Deployment page. Hidden tasks created from the Deploy tab appear as Install For Group and then the group name. Click on one of these tasks to open the task and check for the following. Look at the packages to see what products are included. Check the Auto Update status. If Auto Update is enabled here, both your agent and point products will upgrade automatically when new versions release. Note that these tasks do not have an option under the Actions menu to edit the task to disable automatic update. To wrap things up, let's look at the key takeaways from today's demo. First, remember that auto updates only occur if the auto update option is actively enabled in your deployment tasks. Second, keep an eye on the System Tree's Deploy tab. Selecting point products there silently creates hidden tasks that can trigger unexpected upgrades. And finally, the safest way to completely avoid accidental auto upgrades is to disable the auto update feature in both your Advanced Product Deployment tasks and your System Tree Deploy configurations. By taking these steps, you keep complete control over exactly when and how your software updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next Trellix Smart Tips video.